Welcome back. Right, I'm going to give the old Ford Territory an oil change. So we've got it over the pits. There's a little bit of water in there actually, it's starting to leak again, so we've got all the oil filter. And that there is the oil filter, which is a very strange place. I'll get under there and double check to make sure there is not another oil filter. I've never seen one up top. Yeah, very strange, but we'll see how we go. Right, it's got a plastic cover over it, so I've got to take that off to get at the sump plug. I'd say I'll have to sort that out somewhere. It hasn't got a... Sometimes I've got a little hatch you can take off and get at it, but it doesn't look like this has got it, so it looks like a 10mm, so I'll get into it. Right, we'll try and unscrew this. I'm pretty sure that's all for I can't find any other oil filter anywhere. This is plastic as well, so be careful when taking this off. I don't know what to expect, if it's going to piss out with oil or what. Probably should let it drain a little bit longer actually. I'll give it a couple of minutes. Yeah, that actually released a bit of pressure on that and I could hear it dripping down into the bucket. I'm going to have a copper washer on it, but it's actually got a rubber O-ring. I probably really should have replaced that, but I haven't got anything here. So it looks in good condition, so hopefully it'll last another round. Right, this is the oil filter up the top here. I've loosened it. Be careful when you're taking this off because it's plastic. Jeez. It's got a little O-ring on that as well, so it'll probably have to be put in properly, otherwise it'll leak. Maybe that screws her out. Surely you don't replace the whole thing. I have no bloody idea about this. That's what it's got inside the cap. I'm pretty sure you don't replace that. I'll wait till I get the new filter and see if there's any new parts or... So I think it's just actually get it on straight. That's what I think. All you have to do is just get a bit of a screwdriver and pop the cartridge out. And it sort of sticks on with that thing in there. It's sort of got a couple of I don't know, it's like a couple of things that hold it in here. So yeah, had me stumped for a bit, but just got to get another cartridge because the new one, the new one that it said online to get was this. So that ain't going to work, is it? So I'll grab the new one. Hopefully it comes with all the new O-rings for around here and around here. We should be good to go. Not to break this cap. It is made of plastic. I know you can get them in aluminium as well, but I just had a look online about these and they're about $85 each, so an expensive part to crack or break. and when you put it back on, it says on here 25 newtons for the tightening. Just be careful over tightening because you'll crack it, but I haven't got a torque wrench, so I'll just use the iometer and feel gauge. Right, I got someone that was in town to bring back a new one, and it's looking good. Got the right one this time. Make sure this is on correctly. Just wondering if I should stick that in first to get that lined up. So right, I'll stick the bung back in. Right, it takes about 5 litres of oil. Up as I was pouring it in, if you read that, for petrol and hybrids, so it's the wrong bloody oil, so I'm going to have to drain all that out and shoot down and get some diesel oil pays to, because diesel oil can have different detergents and can handle a lot more heat for turbo and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, I'm going to pull all that out and replace it with some diesel oil. Right, second time round. It says it's for diesel, petrol and synthetic hybrid. So yeah, I was just reading up on the specs of it. They're definitely the same there, and API SP is the same, but there's a few other things that are a bit different to that other oil, so I might check that out a little bit further. Just never know. It might have worked, but it's no, I don't want to risk that. It does seem to be a little bit thicker. A little bit pissed off because I got the other filter in oil when it was on special, and I got the wrong filter and the wrong oil, so my fault, because I did send someone else in to get it. Probably pays to go in yourself, and because you know what your vehicle is. So yeah, and this bloody cost me $145. Actually $200, because that filter costs another $50 as well. So is that a cheap oil change or not? I was hoping for it to be a lot cheaper than that. Not up to full on the dipstick. Just double check that. Yep, that's looking good. So probably took about 5.5 litres. I'll check for leaks, put it all back together, just the top, and that's it done. Sounds smooth, sounds good. All the plates on the bottom, all the top done, no tools are left behind. Awesome, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe guys, click that bell.